Hello everyone, this is Wes Bates coming to you from Atlanta, Georgia at the MRO Americas show. For those of you who do not know, MRO Americas stands for Maintenance, Repair, and Overhaul. And joining me here at the GKN booth is my good friend Staffan Svensson. Staffan is our Vice President and Managing Director of our engines repair business. How's it going, Staffan?
It's going well, thank you.
Good. Well, I'm glad to have you here. So, Staffan, can you tell me and the audience a little bit about GKN Aerospace's activities or initiatives in MRO and aftermarket services?
Absolutely. So we are focusing on this air show. We are focusing on our fan blade and fan disc repair business, of course, which we are expanding both in capacity and capabilities, not least with our Malaysia establishment. And also, as a whole engine business, we are strategically focusing on the parts repair business, which makes this really exciting.
Well, definitely a lot of exciting stuff, and thank you for telling us about that, Staffan. If you guys want to learn more about what GKN Aerospace is doing in the MRO and aftermarkets business, especially a lot of the initiatives we have going on around the world, be sure to check out our website at gknaerospace.com, and of course continue to follow us on our YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter channels. So, on behalf of my very special guest, Mr. Staffan Svensson, I want to say thank you for joining us at the MRO Americas show. We hope to see you at the next show. And if you are in town during the show, feel free to stop by at booth 4131 and meet Staffan and some of our other colleagues here and check out what we got going on. So until then, thanks for joining us. We'll see you at the next show.
Thank you. Bye now.